So Kato orders his men to inject the serum. Soon this woman starts throwing up and something worm-like moves under her skin. Later on, the soldiers bring the painter Sashimoto out of his room and ask him to paint what he sees in the second cell. Sashimoto uses a light to look inside and finds the cell covered in blood with a body on the floor. There's also a strange creature on the wall, which suddenly jumps out at him. A flashback reveals that a year ago, Sashimoto applied for a job at the hospital and was given the task of drawing all the discoveries the Japanese are achieving through experiments. They made him watch one of these experiments, during which a man was cut open while still alive. Terrified, Sashimoto ran out of the room to puke, so a cleaning lady told him that everyone eventually got used to it. Afterward, Sashimoto went to see all the prisoners in the cells, noticing even the cleaning lady was kept locked up. This cleaning lady became the test subject and transformed into the creature that is now attacking Sashimoto through the door. He dodges the reaching claw just in time and waits for it to retreat before looking again, noticing a necklace that indicates this is the woman he knew. Meanwhile, Chioke comes to the Japanese command post, carefully sneaking around to avoid the guards. Then she climbs on the rooftops and uses a spyglass to watch how a lady gives a mysterious document to a man, who immediately takes off. Chioke immediately follows him and discovers he's dropped off at a place called the Spring Hall office. The next day, the sleuths inform Tae-sang that they found the driver that last saw Myung-ja and made him talk by hanging him upside down. Myung-ja visited Ishikawa's house first and then was taken to Wongsong Hospital, so she's probably being held there. Only people with the right connections can get in, so Tae-sang visits his friend Jun-taek and pays him off to use his ID because his wealthy family is allowed to use that hospital. Afterward, Tae-sang lends the sleuths some fancy outfits and his employee Mr. Gu pretends to be his driver so they can pass off as an important family. The hospital guards accept the ID and once they're inside, Gu pretends to become very sick so everyone's attention is on him while Chioke sneaks into the records room. She looks at the files as fast as she can but she's interrupted by the janitor Mr. Oh, so she gets her knife ready to fight. Jungwon suddenly shows up with his gun and Oh realizes they're part of the resistance, so he